Good morning, everyone. How y'all doing today? Happy New Year's. We made it through another year, 2017, and it was a good year for me. You know, there was a lot of things that went on, but there was a lot of good things that went on, and there was a lot of bad things that went on. I think the good things outweighed the bad things for me. But anyhow, here we are, starting a new one off. I hope this sun, it's got a window right here, you can't see it. Sun's shining in it. I just put this table up. Actually I moved it from over there to here. Put some outdoor plants, you know, the pot plants over here. Let's see if I can, both plants here. Put all my stuff over there in front of this window so it'll get, this is east, so that's where the sun comes up, you know. Yeah, so it'll get some sunlight, you know, instead of sitting outside freezing. I want to show y'all something this morning on how not to buy a space heater. I got this little space heater here. I bought this one about 3 years ago. Pelonis, maybe? P-E-L-O-N-I-S. I think I'm saying it right. If I'm not, well, I apologize. But it's cold out here this morning. The lows are supposed to be in the low 20s, and the high is supposed to be about mid-30s. Now, when I woke up this morning, I know I've got off track, but when I woke up this morning, I thought I'd moved out of Texas. Damn. Anyhow, back to this. How not to buy a space heater. Now this is a 1500 watt little space heater, and it's a little smaller. It gets, you know, pretty warm. It's 1500 watt, man. I think it should get a little hotter than this. But and I wish the fan would blow a little harder, you know, so it'll blow out more hot air. I can feel it about right up to here, and it starts to fade away. So, and here's the main thing, is it's still running. You know, now what happens if you have it in your house and I just broke it. Yeah, I just broke it. Oh well. Don't buy that one. They're disposable anyhow. You buy them once a year. Next year you just throw them away if you use them, you know. But this one here, like I say, I've never been happy with this one. I didn't care if I broke it or not. But you know, this kind of little things, you just use them one year and just, you know, just throw them away. Get another one. They're not that expensive. They're maybe $30, $35 for a good one. Now let me, hold on, I threw it away a little fast. Look, buddy. I wanted to show y'all something, man. Now, I got overexcited here to do it away. Now the reason it didn't go off is it's pretty heavy. They don't have a button on the bottom. You know, they have buttons. And that was the main thing when you buy one of these. Make sure it's got one of them safety buttons. That way, if it tilts over, it cuts off. You know, because them buttons on the bottom, when you set it down like this to make, you know, where you want it to work, it'll depress. And then when it goes off, the button will come out, and that kills the power to it. You know, that one of the safety buttons. You know. Now, my favorite thing. I love doing that. That's how not to buy a space heater. Don't buy one without a button. You can get a 750 watt. You can get a, I think they make them in 1,000 watts, 1,500 watts, Now you gotta be careful. When you get them 1500 watts and you plug them in your house, the 1500 watt is pushing a 15 amp breaker. So in other words, if you have anything else on that circuit, or anything, you know, to amount to anything, you're going to probably blow that breaker. And don't be taking them 15 amp breakers out and replacing them with 20 amp breakers. They have a size for a reason. And I'm not going to go into all that. I'm a retired electrician, master electrician, but so just be careful, you know, if you don't know what's on that circuit, get you a 750 watt. They work, you know, they work good. They're real good for small rooms, you know. Now I can take that 1500 watt, leave it out here in the garage, and I put it on a plastic bucket, you know, and plastic totes. And if it did fall over, well, you know, worst thing would happen, it would just melt that plastic. But it's not safe, you know what I mean? I don't do as I do as I say. You know what I mean? You heard that before? But anyhow, that's how to buy, not to buy a space heater. Get one with a button. Get you about a 750 watt instead of the 15s. Now, they got them too. You can put it on 750 watts, and then if you don't, you know, if it ain't warm enough, put it on at 1500 watts. They've got a, you know, it's a little switch, 750, 1500. Well, if it kicks the breaker when you turn it on 1500, well, turn it back down to 750. You know, turn your breaker back on and you'll be okay. But main thing is, man, don't start replacing them 15 amp breakers with 20 amp breakers. I've seen it done. I've seen it done. That'll catch your wires on fire, and you know, you don't want that. It'll start melting wires, and next thing you know, you don't have no home to live in, you know. But I'm trying to clean this old garage up. It's New Year's now, so I'm not gonna say this is my New Year's resolution. I don't make New Year's resolutions because I never hold up to it anyhow. You know, I think it's just trying to tease yourself into something that you don't believe anyhow. So I don't do it. If you do it, good luck to you, buddy. Good luck to you. But anyhow, that's how not to buy a space heater, and you know, I'm not gonna bore you to death with that. It's pretty simple. Buy one with a button, and buy one that's got it's least, you know, the least of it 750 watts. All right, folks. Well, it's enough jacking my old jobs here. Good seeing y'all after the New Year's, and I got woke up last night about midnight when the fireworks started going off. I laid there in bed and listened to it. Had all my dogs got scared. They was all in the bedroom. You know, the big dogs, they stayed on the floor, but 3 little ones, they crawled up in the bed with us. Y'all have a good day and a real good new year, you know. And I'll see y'all on the next one, okay? All right, bye.